Okay, welcome back to the channel. Hope all of you are doing great today. Now we are going to discuss about the crude operation. Okay, I think post has been already published. Okay, let's see. We can refresh that website. Okay, you can see I have taken the crude operation. I are setting up the environment. At first, we will discuss about the introduction. Okay, crude create, read, update, delete operation are the fundamental in web development when working with the database. Okay, in PHP, these operations are typically performed using MySQL as the database and can be implemented using rather procedural or object-oriented approach. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the step by step to implement the crude operation. Okay, setting up the environment. Before starting, ensure that you have a web server, Apache, and Nginx, PHP, install MySQL database or tools like PHP admin, MySQL, or CLI for managing the database. Okay, database setup, create database and table to work. For example, create database crude app. Okay, use crude app, create table user ID in auto increment primary key name bar char 100. Okay, not null. Okay, email bar car 100, not null unique. Okay, created a time step default current time step. Okay, connecting to the database, create the config that a PHP file to handle the database connection. Also PHP host local host. Okay, a database name crude app, also na username root password no try PDO, also new PDO MySQLi host, database name username password PDO. Okay, now set attribute PDO attribute, then die database connection fail. Okay, implementing the crude operation, create and insert the data, create a form to add a new user and process the data. HTML, create the PHP doc type, HTML add title, create user. Okay, add new user. Now form action, store the PHP method post, also input type text name requirement label email, input type email name email required button type submit add user form body HTML. Now score.php require config.php if server request method post dollar name email dollar post. Okay, dollar smnc pdf prepare insert into username email value name email dollar execute name email, also na echo user added successfully catch pdf exception e, also echo error get message. Now read fetch data, also display all the user database. Now php require config.php dollar $stmt pdf query user stmt doctype.html add title user list add body user list table border id name email created action. Now for each HTML special character, also href edit.php, href delete.php, user ID, one click return, also td, inputs, also table, href create table, now body HTML, update delete data, php require config.php, I set die invalid request, dollar ID get ID, ismt user, if user not found, doc type HTML, edit user, also add body, edit user form action, form type label input form type, label input type button update form body HTML. Now update script PHP require config.php. If server request method post if ID, also dollar name dollar post email try SHMT. Now user updated. Now catch echo error, also now delete remove data. Now require config.php if insert die if data try insert echo catch video echo error get message security consideration. Now use prepare statement to prevent the SQL injection, validate and sanitize the user input, use HTTPS to secure the data transmission, implement the proper error handling to avoid the exposing the sensitive information. adding authentication and authorization using framework like Laravel or CMO5 for better structure and scalability, maintaining the page integration for large dataset, right? Then you need to for your code also. Okay, now this much for today.